Would you pay 5 to 12 times more for something than you should? I didn't think so. But we've all heard these nightmare stories where hundreds, if not thousands of dollars was spent on ad campaigns and they return virtually no results. This is Jeff from Brickswork Real Estate Marketing, and today we're going to explore PPC ads and the 5 funnels to really dig into why these campaigns failed and how we can do a much better job in the future. There's a lot more to PPC campaigns than just running ads. Every single funnel has to be well optimized to maximize your dollars. Otherwise, you're just pissing money down the drain. The last few campaigns we ran here, we've routinely seen anywhere between 5 to 12 times more higher conversion rates and sign-up rates than the traditional ad alone services that the third parties were doing. And we're going to explore how we accomplish that. Let's look at the major 5 funnels. You got your ads, you got your landing page, you have your lead form, you have the follow-up, and then finally the in-person meeting that you're all vying for. A good ad campaign will aim to maximize the number of people that come through all 5 of these funnels to get them in front of you. A common mistake in ad campaigns is sending the traffic to a poorly optimized landing page that's a fragmented campaign. And we even see some cases where ad companies will just thoughtlessly put all the traffic towards the homepage of a website. Now, it's not that your homepage is terrible by default. It's just not optimized for an impatient crowd and a quick ad click. And there's a good chance it's not optimized for mobile ad clicks either. And also, ad clicks from a mobile device, they're even less patient. When you're sending traffic to an unoptimized landing page, you're losing a lot of money from your ad campaign. Another common mistake is a poor lead form with a call to action that is vague or not strong enough, or maybe the form has too many fields to fill out and people just get bored. And again, that's a great way to piss away your ad budget just down the toilet. After your leads have filled out the form, if your follow-up is too slow, too boring, poorly designed, that's another source where you could be just losing interest of your leads. And well, guess what? They just went with another agent. They were going to buy or sell anyway. It's just not with you. The full funnel flow needs to be optimized much better. The ad copies need to be optimized better. Sending the traffic to a landing page that is designed better, concisely, and also mobile optimized. Your lead form also needs to be optimized to convert more people. It has to be shorter, more concise, the call to action very clear, and it constantly needs to be tested and tweaked so that you get an even higher conversion rate from the traffic that you're paying for. Couple that with a follow-up campaign that is well-designed, concise, and very attractive, and of course automated to be timely. This will dramatically increase the number of people that you end up having a meeting with, which is what we all are aiming for. And once you get that in-person meeting, we're confident that you're going to charm their socks off. So failed PPC campaigns don't mean that the ad campaigns in general is a waste of money. No, it probably means that the funnel was broken somewhere and you were losing a lot of traction and wasting a lot of budget along the way. With an ad campaign that considers all the stages of the funnel and is thoughtfully designed and well executed from A to Z, you're going to get much better results in the long run and not waste your ad budget. If you want to see how much success we brought to our latest campaigns, email us now and get in touch and we can show you the reports. We just can't put that online anywhere because it is private and confidential, so we can only prepare for your eyes only in a meeting or a Zoom call. And finally, if you like what you just learned here and want to see more useful tips and insights for real estate agents and pre-sale marketers to gain more traction and success online and offline, click on the subscribe button below so you don't miss any future videos that come up on this channel that you're going to find very useful.